Why does choosing the right washing machine brand matters? Yes, choosing the right washing machine brand is a daunting task because it directly impacts on your laundry experience along with the long-term satisfaction. A reliable brand ensures you get a high-quality, long-lasting machine with advanced features that suit your needs. Different brands offer varying levels of performance, energy efficiency, and ease of use, which makes a significant difference in how effectively a washing machine works and how much it costs to run. So here in this video, we will see top 3 best washing machine brands that you can buy in India, and for all the washing machines, I have provided a link in the description and tagged in this video. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section, I will reply you there. And also the links are provided in the description. The first brand and the best brand is the Bosch. So here I am recommending you buy Bosch 6 kg inverter fully automatic front load washer dryer. It's durable and efficient washing machine. It's designed for efficiency and built to last. The Bosch washing machine helps to attain spotless clean clothes in less time. This brand offers versatile washer options to choose from top load, front load, and fully automatic to semi-automatic. They stand out in the market due to their emphasis on German engineering and features like Eco Silence Drive, Active Water Plus, iDOS automatic detergent dispenser, Home Connect, Robust Build, Allergy Plus, etc. The major features here is the anti-tangle function is amazing and speed perfect for faster cycles. The next brand that I am recommending here is the Samsung brand. Samsung is having advanced technology for seamless laundry experience, and the washing machine that I am recommending here is the Samsung 9 kg 5-star AI Eco Bubble Super Speed fully automatic front load washing machine. So it's a great washing machine brand. Samsung has a household name. Designed with advanced technology, this brand washing machine can be easily controlled with a Galaxy smartphone for the ultimate convenience. Also, it works on tech features like Eco Wash, AI bubble technology, modern designs, high energy efficiency, and long-term durability and expert wash quality. The amazing features of this washing machine are Eco Bubble, Bubble Storm, dual storm features for deep cleaning. The number one washing machine brand that is amazing is LG. LG is known for their innovation and reliability in every wash. The washing machine that I am recommending here is the LG 7 kg 5-star fully automatic front load washing machine. LG is a South Korean company offering a wide range of washing machine options since 1958. This iconic brand manufactures washers with the features such as AI Direct Drive, Turbo Wash 360-degree, LG ThinQ multiple wash programs, built-in heaters, AI features, Wi-Fi powered, etc. Being in the industry for too long, LG strives to offer the best quality home appliances with having 4 types of washing machines: top load, front load, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. Standing for Lucky Gold Star, LG is known for its innovation and reliability in every wash, inspiring generations and helping them to achieve a less hectic lifestyle. So these washing machines are AI-driven, 6 motion technology is amazing, and steam wash is amazing. For all the washing machines, links are provided tagged in this video and also provided in the description.